the only thing, Tabile and your brother, what people did not warn, or they never warn us about, is the impact of losing a mother. That part, why ningasitsheli ukuthi kanti kubuhlungu so ukushiwa umama. And I don't like comparing, but there's a difference ukushiwa ubaba nokushiwa mama, and it's because also there's an attachment of an umbilical cord, but mothers are multitaskers. They can do everything and anything. They can be anything and everything that you want them to be. I'm a chameleon. They morph into you. They become whatever you want them to be. And that is why it's difficult. That's the one thing they never want us. Let me tell you, nothing will ever be the same again. Ungaforced ukuthi wenza ngathi but time heals. Ayikho lento leyo. Banganikhohlisi. Time does not heal. Time makes it better. So you must remember that it's natural for you to cry again in 20 years' time the way you were crying today. It's natural and it's okay. And nobody should tell you how long you should mourn your mother. You must mourn as much as you can. And sometimes you're going to have moments where you feel like Kushone Namhlanje. And it's okay. So just remember that. Nothing will ever be the same. Christmases are not going to be the same. Your birthdays are not going to be the same. Nothing is going to be the same. And chances are as well, I want to advise the family to stay together as much as you can, because when you lose the mother, you realize that she was the glue of the family. And you start having Christmases alone and special events alone, but you must remember, it is okay to mourn forever. Ne? All right, ngicela ngesermon yami. Sicela ukubiza stage